overall, I'm grateful for the opportunities that ECC afforded me, and I wouldn't be in the position that I am within this community, within the Greater Elgin community, if it were not for ECC. To be recognized as the ECC Distinguished Alumnus this year, it's difficult to put into words because I am beyond humbled to be recognized. I was not expecting this award, but I feel fortunate and grateful that I've been in a position to be able to make an impact on ECC and the Elgin community to be able to be recognized. Phi Theta Kappa was one of the most important organizations to me here at ECC and continues to be one of the most important organizations in my life. I continue to give back to Phi Theta Kappa. I continue to come to help with the chapter events, help at the regional events and internationally, because it means I've made so many great relationships there, and it's also an opportunity for me to give back because Phi Theta Kappa and ECC gave so much to me. It's a chance for me to give back to them. My work with Food for Greater Elgin is very impactful to me. I've been working with them for many, many years, both as a volunteer and as a board member. We do a number of events throughout the community. Food for Greater Elgin is our area food pantry. It's a client choice food pantry, and our underlying mission is to help fight food insecurity in the greater Fox Valley area. I'm very grateful to Elgin Community College, to the board of directors, to the Elgin Community College Foundation for granting me this award, and I can't thank you enough. I look forward to continuing to represent Elgin Community College as an alumnus with heart and with gratitude going forward.